Hello, Gavin Sykes, today with the wall bracket for BeoSound Edge. The wall bracket sits on top of a curved bead blast aluminium lower plate, and we have retained the feature to increase and decrease volume on the rocker mechanism. Cable management is incorporated on the side for the electrical mains cable. Here we see the bracket with the bead blast lower plate, the rocker mechanism and the wall plate. And when you receive the bracket, it's all assembled. There is a cable tidy here. You can bring the cable through the wall, or you can bring the cable up from below. I have the cable here. And we recommend 500mm from here to here to allow you to make the connection. And the rubber that is supplied with BeoSound Edge is used in the bracket to fill the hole. And then the mains cable goes round the back and into connection on the side of BeoSound Edge.